Jai Gurudev, dear students. Welcome again in this science class. Children, last class, we have completed chapter number 6, that changes. Okay, that chapter was related with the changes, different kind of changes. I have explained you in that chapter, changes around us. And so today we will complete our exercise part and question answers. So first of all, exercise of the book we will do. Let's see, first true or false at the last of the chapter. Conversion of clay to a pot is a physical change. So it is true. Physical change result in the formation of new substances. It is false. You know that new substances are always formed in chemical changes. So third is cooling causes steam to change into water. It is true. And last is weathering of rocks is an example of chemical change as it is irreversible. Children, weathering of rocks means formation of soil. This is a physical change. It is not a chemical change. Means when rock particles, they broken down into smaller particles, they are converted into soil. So it is a physical change. It is not a chemical change. So it is false. Here you can write false. It is irreversible, but it is physical change. So after this, take the correct option. Next page. Take the correct option is chemical changes are always irreversible. Means always irreversible we can't say. It's mostly irreversible. This is the most correct. And here you can put cross. Okay, because here always they are not irreversible. Mostly chemical changes are irreversible. Evaporation of water is an example of dash change. It is a physical and reversible change. Third is, which of the following examples is a physical and irreversible change? Breaking of mirror. You know children, it is a physical change, means there is no change in any of the chemical when mirror will broken down, but it is irreversible because from the pieces of mirror we can't make that mirror again, because there are the cracks left behind if we try to join those pieces to form a mirror again. So it is irreversible but physical. And after this, here they have given activity 6.2. Niti classified a few changes occurring in the surrounding as shown in the table below, but she made some mistakes. Tick the incorrect entries. So children, here they have given name of the changes, and here they given type. Means sharpening of pencil. It is a physical and reversible change. And evaporation of water is a physical and irreversible. So it is wrong. It is not a physical and irreversible. So what is incorrect, that we have to take here. So evaporation of water is a physical change, but it is not irreversible. It is a reversible change. Photosynthesis is a chemical and irreversible. It is also correct. And rusting of iron. You know, rusting of iron is a chemical change, but it is not reversible. We can't make iron again from the rust. Okay, so it is irreversible. So this is also incorrect, and second one is also incorrect. After this, Children, come on the exercises, main exercises. Choose the correct option. They have asked which of the following can bring about a change in substances. So, heating the substance, applying force on the substance, mixing it with another substance, means all these activity when we heat any substance, or when we apply force on any of the substance, or when we mix any substance with another substance, then always there is a change. Okay, so change takes place in all these three categories. So all the above is correct. Ice melts to form water. What is the cause of this change? Heating. Okay, there is no cooling, breaking. Okay, but when heat is present there, when ice heats up, then it melts into water. Third is, ice can be changed into water and water can be changed back into ice. What is the general name of such changes? These are reversible changes. 4. Which of the following uses expansion? We have studied about the expansion and contraction in this chapter. So children, fixing of handle to the iron blades. This option is fitting to this question. Means here expansion we use when we fit that iron blades into handle. Okay. And fifth one is, which of the following is a reversible change? Reversible change is pulling off rubber string. When we pull rubber string, it will show its elasticity, it will increase in size, and when we again leave that rubber string, it will again regain its original size. Which of the following is a reversible change? Water changing into ice is a reversible change. Okay. And seventh one is, which one of the following is a beneficial change? You know that rusting is not beneficial, spoilage of food is not beneficial, ripening of food is also beneficial, and souring of milk is also beneficial. Means souring of milk here we can take as example of curd. When we make milk, curd from milk, so souring of milk is also beneficial. But unnecessarily if souring of milk happens, means हमारा milk जो है वो खराब हो जाता है, तो that souring of milk is not beneficial. But if we make curd from milk, then it is beneficial. And ripening of food is always beneficial. Okay, so these two we can take as an example of beneficial change. When an ice cream melts, heat is lost from the ice cream, heat is gained by the ice cream, heat is lost from the air, heat is gained by the air. So which one? Here combinations are given, children, that how many options are correct when ice cream melts. You know that when ice cream melts, when it gains heat. Okay, so B is also correct and C is also correct, because heat is lost from the air. From where this ice cream gets heat? From the air, from the environment. So these two options are correct. So here we can tick here to the B and C. So children, this is about the choose the correct, and this is the last choose the correct. The change of season is a dash change. You know that change of season is a slow change also, and it is an example of periodic change also. You know that after some period of time, that one season change into another season. So it is an example of slow change as well as periodic change. So children, this is all about the exercises of your book. After this, we will start with our question answers.